Hello everyone. Welcome to Catchy English. In this video we are going to learn the names and sounds of 26 vehicles in alphabet from A to Z. Before we jump right into the video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay updated on all of our latest content. Ambulance. Ambulance. Bicycle. Bicycle. Crane. Crane. Dump truck. Dump truck. Excavator. Excavator. Fire engine. Fire engine. Golf cart. Golf cart. Helicopter. Helicopter. Ice cream van. Ice cream van. Jetski. Jetski. Kayak. Kayak. Lorry. Lorry. Motorcycle. Motorcycle. Navy submarine. Navy submarine. Off-road vehicle. Off-road vehicle. Police car. Police car. Quad bike. Quad bike. Rocket. Rocket. School bus. School bus. Tractor. Tractor. UFO. UFO. Van. Van. Wagon. Wagon. Christmas sleigh. Christmas sleigh. Yellow cab.
Taxi! Taxi! Thanks!
Yellow cab. Zeppelin. Zeppelin. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you want to buy a paperback copy, you can click the link below in the description to order it from Amazon. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay updated on all of our latest content. Keep practicing your English skills and stay tuned for more exciting videos coming soon. See you next time.